In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add two numbers. Let's assume you want to add 4 plus 6. So first you need to declare two variables to hold the two numbers. Int x is equals to 4, int y is equals to 6. Let's add the two, x plus y, and store this in another variable, int sum. Now we can print this out. Let's run this and see what we've got. We get the sum is 10. So supposing you want the user to input the two numbers. So what you need to do is to create a scanner object. New scanner. And here you need to pass system.in to get the input from the terminal. Let's terminate this statement. Now we can ask the user to input the first number. And now our x variable will be our scanner object dot next int. Now we can ask the user to input the second number. And our y variable will be scanner dot next int. Let's remove this ln to allow the user to type the input on the same line. Now we can run this and see what we've got. So 4 enter 6. Let's rerun this and give it new values. 1500. Great, it's working. So thank you for watching, and if you liked this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.